Hi, this is Tiffany Mitchell, and I'm going to be doing exercise one of week five, carbohydrate fermentation testing. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am going to start off with the S. epidermis first. I felt like it was a lot going on here, so I wanted to start off with this one first, and then I will switch it out and then do the S subversive next. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I have all my tubes here labeled, and also my little drum tubes here, my little glucose things here, and my open flame here. So the first thing we'll do, I'm going to get the number one S epi of the glucose, and we are going to run the lip through the flame here. So we'll do this first. Okay, so I think that should be good enough. Okay, so now I have to get my glucose here, and I'm going to pour half of it in the tube. I think that's about half there. So I'm going to pass it, the lip of the flame through again, one more time. Okay, so I'm going to actually close it up here, and we're going to shake it up a little bit. So I have my Duran little things here. They were sitting in alcohol, and I set them here to dry. So I have those all ready to go. Okay. All right. And just gonna say so, I just want to pass it through one more time before adding the little Duran tube in. Okay. So here's my tube here. Okay. I'm going to place it in here. Okay. So I have that. And now I'm going to get my nutrition broth here, the S. epidermis here. Okay. So I'm just want to put this back in here. I feel like I have a lot going on, so I don't want to spill that. So I'm going to run the broth through the flame. Okay. So now I'm going to get my little pipette here. Okay. And shake that dry. So now I am going to add 4 drops of the broth into the red broth. So let me just think I'm going to first run this to the flame one more time and cap that up to get this out of my hand. Okay. So we'll do this one more time. Just want to be on the safe side. I want to make sure that I'm not contaminating it. So we're running through the flame again. So now I'm going to drop 4 drops here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll put the cap back on here. So I'm going to repeat the same steps with my number 2. Okay. So same thing here. This is a little difficult to do. Try not to spill everything out here. Sorry. And this one is the fructose. So we're running through the flame here. Okay, so I have that. Then my next step is to get the fructose here. We're going to put half of it in here. It's kind of stuck in there. All right. Then we're going to run it through the flame again. Okay. I'm going to close it up and shake it, mix everything together. So now I'm going to get my other hand thing here and place it in straight down. Okay. And then we're going to add 4 drops of the nutrition broth. So I think I got enough here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to run it through the flame one more time before closing it up. Okay. All right. So one more time here. Number 3, the mannitol. So we'll open them up. These things are on pretty tight. We're going to run it through the open flame. Okay. And we're going to put half. Okay. Put it through the flame again. And then we'll close it up and shake it up. I think I'm going to need a little bit more broth. So for the last one, I don't think I have enough here. So we'll run that through the flame one more time. Just get a little bit more here. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're just going to drop our tube in here. Face down. We'll add 4 drops here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Put this to the side for now before we get rid of that. We'll put one more flame of the lip there. Okay. And then we'll close it up. So I will do the same exact process with the S. serratus. So for now, I'm going to take these here, incubate them for 12 hours, check the growth. If not, we're going to need another 6 hours if need be. And then we'll examine, take pictures, and upload those to my lab paper. And I think that is it for now. Thanks for watching.